Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today I am working on the camper. I'm going to work on getting these floors here removed. It's raining today, so you'll probably hear it hitting the top of the camper, which is good though, because then I can see where exactly it's leaking and everything. But yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got everything all stripped down here and then over here as well. And then me and my wife, Tammy, say hi, Tammy.
Hi.
My beautiful wife. We are going to be starting to remove all these little screws and stuff. The glue on the wood was actually covering those. so we weren't really able to get those out. So yeah, and then after we get those removed is what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a wire wheel, and then all this surface stress that you see on these beams here, we're gonna get that off. Then we're gonna go ahead and treat it for rust remover. And then is what I found after removing stuff is there's a lot of holes in these. Yeah, they're still strong, but is what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna be welding other pieces in, especially like right here. There's big holes, and it's kind of just all around in particular spots. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So we will get to work. Alright, so as what we did is we went ahead and got everything over here all ground down. Now as we're going to be doing is taking this right here. It's a rust inhibitor. It actually converts rust to metal. So we're going to be painting this all over the camper here. It's pretty nice and easy. Just take it and brush it on. And then is what's going to happen is after it sits and dries and everything, it's going to turn the metal black, and then it'll be a paintable metal. But also this stuff, it actually puts a coating on there so it won't flash rust in the elements either. So, and then, yeah, we're gonna get to painting. Alrighty, so here we are. I know it doesn't look like much, but I do have this rust converter stuff on. It's actually looking a lot better. It's starting to turn black. So this has got to dry for quite a few hours. So here's what my plan is. I'm actually going to be ending this video here. I'll just let this set for a couple days, let it dry. I ordered a new roof vent here, so I got to replace that. And then I got to start getting some of these seams and holes and stuff patched too. Because is what I'm going to end up doing, it like I keep saying, is spraying epoxy primer. It's like an automotive primer, but it really etches into metal super good, and it will create a really good waterproof barrier. So yeah, and it's also going to inhibit a lot of this rust should it come back. But anyway, this is kind of where we're at. So yeah. So if y'all like my video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that'd be great. Go ahead and drop a comment down below, and we will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because we got some big stuff coming up on the old camper build. So we'll see y'all next time. Peace.